Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Beel token. Now the Beel token is being listed here on a central exchange starting September 20th. We're going to go over the information on the Beel token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Beel token is being listed September 20th at 6 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Lbank. So basically all you'd have to do if you wanted to get this token is download Lbank from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BEEL and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token will be listed September 20th on Lbank. So if you want to find information about this token, they do have a web page, beel-show.xyz. They have a white paper available on their web page. You can check out a full white paper. Also their BSC scan. Their BSC scan says only 14 holders so far. So this is most likely their initial listing here. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 5 billion Beel tokens. So it's a Binance Smart Chain token. So the Beel metaverse. The Beel token is the Beel is a virtual world where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experiences in the Binance Smart Chain using the Beel token, the platform's utility token. Our vision is to offer a deeply immersive metaverse in which players will create virtual worlds and games collaboratively and without central authority. We are aiming to disrupt the existing game makers like Minecraft and Roblox by providing creators true ownership of their creations as non-fungible tokens and rewarding their participation with our utility token, the Beel token. In the current game market, the centralized ownership and control of user-generated content limits creators' rights and ownership. Central control over their trading of virtual goods created by other players restricts them from generating fair value for their creations. Compounding this, it can be difficult to prove creative ownership of works, especially as content is copied, altered, and built upon. With the Beel token, we aim to overcome these limitations while accelerating blockchain adoption to grow the blockchain gaming market. We do this by building a voxel gaming platform where creators are able to craft, play, and share, and collect and trade without central control, enjoying secure copyright ownership with the ability to earn crypto tokens like the Beel token. The copyright ownership will be established and guaranteed through the use of NFTs, where every in-game item will have a unique and immutable blockchain identifier. So the blockchain gaming with Beel NFTs, the virtual world will use blockchain technologies and NFTs to empower the players and creators. NFTs are an emerging segment in the global game market. Virtual tokens and digital scarcity, security, and authenticity. Each NFT is distinct or unique. It is indivisible and it is not interchangeable for another. Through the use of NFTs, the Beel users will be able to benefit from true digital ownership. Gamers are the true and perpetual owners of their digital items, even if the game was shut down or abandoned. With blockchain, every game item can be tokenized, allowing gamers to decide how they want to trade, sell, or gift their items. Also, security and immutability. So digital game items can be easily tokenized and traded in primary and secondary markets that are managed and facilitated by blockchain technology. Items based on scarcity and demand usually invite fraud or theft, but these risks are minimized on blockchain because it is a distributed ledger. There's also trading. So blockchain-based gaming platforms can provide users with ultimate control over their digital assets. They can buy and sell those items freely without concern that they will be ripped off or a platform will close or cancel all the value of their in-game items. Also, cross-application interoperability. Blockchain provides capacity for games to utilize shared assets. Avatars, B points, and other game elements can be used in other games that allow it. These games items are no longer confined by a narrow digital ecosystem. So the Beel metaverse. So the Beel token here, it's an essential part of the platform. They're working on establishing key mechanics that make it intrinsically tied to the Beel platform and its value. It's a BEP20 utility token, and it has the following uses. So access to the Beel platform. Players can spend Beel tokens in order to play games, buy equipment, or customize their avatar character, and can potentially collect a Beel through gameplay. Creators spend Beel to acquire assets, B points through staking. Beel sales drive demand for Beel tokens to purchase B points. Artists spend Beel to upload assets in the marketplace and buy gems for defining rarity and scarcity. It's also a governance token. They're going to have a DAO structure where they can have delegate voting rights, and there's going to be staking. There's a reward model here. Obviously, there is associated risks, so read the disclaimer on their white paper. With investing in anything, there's going to be risks, especially crypto. And total supply, 5 billion tokens. 30% of the tokens go to the ecosystem, 25% finance, 20% reserve, 10% liquidity, 10% team and partners, 5% marketing. Roadmap is on here. Website, ecosystem, wallet, global exchange, which is Lbank, reservations for the game, wallet development, security updates, staking open, listing on more exchanges, all sorts of stuff. Go check this out. Beel-show.xyz. Now, I'm not sure if they have any socials. Looks like they have a Telegram. Usually I put a Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. But you can check out their Telegram if you like. It is at Beel_PJ. Has 4,240 subscribers on it so far. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.